Today I'm going to show you how to pressure can chicken. So first you're going to just cut up your chicken, debone the thighs, take the skin off the breast and the thighs, and to cut into small chunks. I usually refreeze the drumsticks and wings and cook them at a later time. Put the chicken chunks into jars that have been sterilized. Fill to the rim of the jars. As you can see, I have them all right below the rim. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. If you would like to, you can add other seasonings such as taco seasoning, onion, garlic, chili, but I usually just add 1 teaspoon of salt. Fill with water to the rim of the jars. You are going to want to burp each of the jars and make sure that the chicken stays below the rim. Add or take away as needed. Wipe down the top of the jars with a paper towel that has been dipped in vinegar water. This will prevent any grease from interfering with the seal. Put the flats that have been heated in warm water with a splash of white vinegar and the rings onto the jars. Tighten the rings snug but not too tight. You don't want the flat to bow up when it is pressure canning. Check your altitude. Here in Montana, I use 10 pounds of pressure and pressure for 90 minutes. Place your jars into the pressure canner that has about 1.5 to 2 inches of warm water. Once it starts to steam, time for 10 minutes, then add your bobber. When it starts to jiggle, turn it down until it is just a nice steady jiggle. And that's all there is to it. And you have nice home canned chicken to add to soups, casseroles, whatever. It makes it so nice, quick, and easy.